Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Coinbase application on your iOS device. Downloading Coinbase app on iPhone is a quick and a straightforward process. All you need to do is to first make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet, whether you're using Wi-Fi or a mobile data. Once you are sure you are connected, go and tap open your app store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Coinbase. Once you are done, press search and within the search result, click on this application. Now, tap on the download or the get button to begin installing the app on your iPhone. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, which will only take a few minutes. Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. It is known to be the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, with over 100 million users in more than 100 countries. Soon after the application is downloaded, tap on the open button, and there you have successfully downloaded and opened up Coinbase application on your iOS device. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.